Have you been thinking of how to manage your money and reach financial freedom? Well, welcome back to our channel. Also, have you thought about your financial goals and how do you plan on achieving them? Today, we're diving into some money management tips to help you reach those goals. Achieving financial goals requires careful planning, disciplined budgeting, and smart financial decisions. Here are some comprehensive money management tips to help you reach your financial goals in 2024. 1. Set clear financial goals. 1.1 Define your goals. Short-term goals. Goals to achieve within a year, such as saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt. Medium-term goals. Goals that take 1 to 5 years to achieve, like saving for a down payment on a house or buying a car. Long-term goals. Goals that take more than 5 years, such as retirement savings or paying off a mortgage. 1.2 Make smart goals specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Determine how you will measure your progress. Achievable. Ensure your goals are realistic and attainable. Relevant. Align your goals with your values and long-term objectives. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goals. 2. Create a detailed budget. 2.1 Track your income and expenses. Income. List all sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and side hustles. Expenses. Categorize and track all your expenses, including fixed, rent, utilities, and variable groceries, entertainment costs. 2. Allocate funds. Essential expenses. Prioritize essential expenses like housing, utilities, food, and transportation. Savings and investments. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Debt repayment. Dedicate funds to pay down existing debts. 2.3 Review and adjust monthly review. Regularly review your budget to ensure you are staying on track. Adjustments. Make necessary adjustments based on changes in income or expenses. 3. Build an emergency fund. 3.1 Determine the amount. 6 months of expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Start small. Begin with a smaller goal, such as $1,000, and gradually build up. 3.2 Choose the right account. High-yield savings account. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access and better interest rates. Liquidity. Ensure the funds are easily accessible in case of emergencies. 4. Reduce and manage debt. 4.1 Create a debt repayment plan. List debts. List all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Choose a strategy. Use the debt snowball, smallest debt first, or debt avalanche, highest interest rate first method. 4.2 Negotiate with creditors. Lower interest rates. Contact creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or better repayment terms. Debt settlement. Consider negotiating a settlement if you are unable to make full payments. 4.3 Avoid new debt credit cards. Use credit cards wisely and avoid accumulating new debt. Cash payments. Pay with cash or debit whenever possible to avoid interest charges. 5. Save and invest wisely. 5.1 Automate savings. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Employer-sponsored plans. Contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401k or similar programs. 5.2 Diversify investments. Stocks and bonds. Invest in a mix of stocks and bonds to balance risk and reward. Real estate. Consider real estate investments for long-term growth. Mutual funds and ETFs. Invest in mutual funds and ETFs for diversification. 5.3 Stay informed. Financial news. Stay updated on financial news and trends. Investment research. Conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. 6. Maximize income. 6.1 Explore side hustles. Freelancing. Offer your skills on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Gig economy. Participate in gig economy jobs such as driving for Uber, delivering for DoorDash, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. 6.2 Enhance your career. Skill development. Invest in education and training to enhance your skills and increase earning potential. Networking. Build a professional network to discover job opportunities and career advancements. 7. Monitor your progress. 7.1 Regular check-ins, monthly reviews. Review your budget, expenses, and savings monthly. Goal tracking. Track your progress towards your financial goals regularly. 7.2 Adjust as needed. Flexibility. Be flexible and adjust your plan as your financial situation changes. Stay motivated. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated and committed to your goals. 8. Seek professional advice. 8.1 Financial Advisors Certified Financial Planners, CFP. Seek advice from certified financial planners to create a comprehensive financial plan. Personalized advice. Get personalized advice tailored to your specific financial situation. 8.2 Credit Counselors. Debt management plans. Work with credit counselors to develop debt management plans and improve your credit score. Financial education. Attend financial literacy workshops or seminars to improve your financial knowledge. 9. Develop healthy financial habits. 9.1 Spend wisely. Mindful spending. Be mindful of your spending and focus on purchasing only what you need. Avoid impulse buys. Delay non-essential purchases to avoid impulse buying. 9.2 Save regularly. Consistent saving. Make saving a regular habit, even if it's a small amount. Savings goals. Set specific savings goals to stay motivated. 9.3 Use credit responsibly. Credit utilization. Keep your credit utilization low to maintain a good credit score. Timely payments. Make timely payments to avoid late fees and interest charges. Finally, reaching your financial goals in 2024 requires setting clear goals, creating a detailed budget, building an emergency fund, reducing and managing debt, saving and investing wisely, maximizing income, monitoring progress, seeking professional advice, and developing healthy financial habits. By following these money management tips, you can achieve financial stability and work towards a secure financial future. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to successful money management. Stay committed to your plan, and you'll see progress over time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money management insights. We'd love to hear from you too. Share your strategies for reaching financial goals in the comments below. Together, let's make the second half of 2024 the year we conquer our financial aspirations. There are 2 videos prepared for you to watch. Pick one and watch to add more value to your life with financial information. Thanks for watching.